we are going to create 5 million new high-wage jobs by investing in the renewable sources of energy.
Why can't we recycle the whole road 100%?
Economically, you save money and you go green at the same time.
It's brilliant.
And this process does it all in one shot.
I love it. Our road's getting fixed.
That's one that will really impact the environment.
So why not take those funds that have already been put into that road?
It made a dramatic difference to the street.
And I think the quality is just excellent.
We have our employees doing the work.
Gives that municipality the opportunity to create jobs.
It cannot be a failure. It will only be a success.
But it's beautifying the neighborhood.
Some of the brightest, biggest ideas in history have come from our small businesses.
My father started the company in 1959. He did everything from drive a taxi cab around the city of Cleveland to drive a truck hauling aggregate from the quarries. One year he was doing a parking lot for a shopping center, and it was the last day of the season. The asphalt plant was closing. The snowflakes were flying. He ran out of material. He grabbed a handful of torches that they had lying around. They heated up the pavement. He grabbed some used motor oil he had lying around back at his shop. They mixed it in with some garden rakes and rolled it out. They meet back out on the job site in that parking lot, and they couldn't find the area where my dad ran out. So he got this thought that why couldn't he do this on a more grand scale? Why couldn't he take this and do parking lots or streets? The machines have always evolved. That's one of the things about our company is every year we would go back to our facility and we'd figure out how could we make this better. And it's gone through several different stages of evolution. Every single piece of machinery that we build is custom built. We find out directly from our buyer, our end user, what they are looking for. We need to know if there's a change in the size that they want, if there's a different type of speed control that they want. We really listen to them, and we design this machine around their needs. In order to do that, you have to have some of the best fabricators and technicians that you can find out there. So once you get the pump drive on, you'll find out how far back it sits. The vice president of our company is a gentleman by the name of John Stockwell. John has been with us for, as I said, almost 30 years now. It was because of John and all of his experience that he learned over the years with my father that we were able to take these machines to the next level. Our way of heating the pavement is unlike any other that is out there. We get a thermal transfer of 6 inches down into the material. Our way of digging now is specialized blades that we manufacture here that have a certain contour and lift to them that actually lift and roll the heated material out. We have a patented center mill idea that takes that material and loads it into an asphalt plant. And then it's the way we design our plant is patented as well. As far as inside the plant is where we inject emulsions to remix that material. It's all heated inside. And it's laid out the back of the machine by a conventional paving screen. And that has full grade and slope controls on it. And you have old road in the front, new road in the back, 100% recycled.
It's good for the environment. It's a proven technology. It's cost effective.
The results are wonderful. We're very happy with them.
It looks just like brand new pavement, and it is basically new pavement now.
Where we're normally paying a contractor that same wage, we're now saving that money because we're paying our own people that wage.
We feel that we'll be able to save the residents 30 to 40% off of what a normal cost of resurfacing is.
The material and the AC content and everything is just exactly perfect.
It heats it up, picks it up, rejuvenates it, lays it back down, and paves it out, and we roll it, and in 15 minutes it's drivable.
In this day and age when recycling is so important and is really at the forefront of everybody's thought process, it's a no-brainer. I mean, this is the ultimate in recycling.
With the amount of work that we can accomplish with this machine in 1 year, it will pay for itself. It's just amazing. In my opinion, it's really a no-brainer. We're going green, we're saving money, we're providing a great service to the citizens of Akron. It's going to enable us to do more than we've ever done before. We're able to do it with our crews in-house and control our own schedule and our own destiny as to how much we want to resurface in a year's time.
This will save the city a lot of money. So anybody that's out there hurting, and everyone's got to be hurting in this economy, this is something that if you look at and you do in the right way, you're going to end up with a very high quality product. I don't see any way that you can not look at it. We're actually looking at getting another set of machines and increasing what we're doing right now.
Encourage other municipalities and state government agencies to at least look at the process and look at the end results and see that you know, it's definitely worth looking at.
Even before we ever got out here and seen how well it worked, the numbers just look terrific, and I'd be glad to share those with anyone.
That's why we're working with the Benedetti guys. You know, they're just getting us through the process of learning this equipment.
We're very committed to training, safety, maintenance. It's very simple to run. There's not a lot of things that are very complicated on here.
Fantastic. I think that's great that they can reuse the old surface and mix it up and reuse it. That's great. Price of oil, it's great we're saving.
I was surprised. They started out at the corner there, and then when I came home yesterday, within a couple hours, the whole side of the street was done. So they are getting done pretty quick.
We'll create another 2 million jobs by rebuilding our crumbling roads.
This goes hand in hand with President Obama and his main focus on trying to get alternative energies and resources and environmental impact and rebuild your infrastructure. What better way to do it than with recycling your asphalt pavements? If you're a mayor or you're a street department director, there is no reason why you shouldn't give asphalt recycling a consideration.